Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
Last time we had our channel banner, channel maker set up. This time we will be setting up our watermark in our channel. So let's go to Google Chrome again. And then we will click the customize channel. Click Chrome. Continue to Studio. And then branding. So let's upload here video watermark. The watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. An image that's 150 by 150 pixels is recommended. Use a PNG, GIF, no animations, BMP or JPEG file that's 1 MB or less. Let's upload. Let's try this one if it will work for a while. Okay, done. So whether you want it at the end of video or custom start time or entire video. So in my case, I would like it to be in entire video. And then after that, you publish. So whenever you're going to have a video, this will appear on your every videos, your watermark. So video watermark now. Anytime you can change or remove that. It depends upon you. So I hope you have learned something here again. Thank you for watching. Bye.